Just like a little old kitty cat. Oh, what you get? What you get?
Oh, I can't.
I know what it is. I know what it is.
Oh, sweet. Oh my God. Where the heck did you get that?
My dad made it for me.
Oh my God.
I thought of it when my mom was on the phone with you that one time. I was like, I'm gonna make her one for her birthday.
That's so cool.
Did you tell Hannah what the graduation speech was? When your professor was talking about his metric lunchbox?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh man.
Oh, this is brilliant.
That is awesome.
Oh. This is the picture that's on the box.
Are you taking pictures?
I'm recording. That's why I brought this camera, because I didn't have sound.
She loves it.
Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so good. Hold it up.
You like it?
Well, I decided I wasn't gonna bring it into the restaurant because you were gonna cause a scene.
I probably would have.
When you mentioned to me last week about the speech, I didn't want to say anything because I didn't want you to keep thinking about it.
Oh, this is great.
That's the reaction I told you that we're gonna get.
You should bring it to work next week.
Laugh the whole day. Just carrying it around laughing hysterically.
I don't know. It's not dripping out of his nose.
It's
That's why my dad put it on there. It's like, look at the bottom.
That's appetizing when you're eating your lunch.
Oh, that's great. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, look at it too.
Right
Yeah.
in front of her, she can see it in your eyes.
I don't know, but now you do.
There's sound down there too.
That's why I brought this one. Mine doesn't have sound.
Is it still recording?
It's gone for 3 minutes.
Oh my God, I'm gonna die.
That's a tough act to follow. I think the only thing we could give you that would go along with that would be that like on My Lunch with Andre action figure thing or whatever it was.
Yeah.
There'd be no action.
Just the thought of it happening. Yeah. I guess you should see
This
that.
table and two people sitting at a table together.